Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Cursor versus VS Code Agent. Cursor is a new AI-native code editor, built specifically to leverage artificial intelligence for coding tasks. On the other hand, VS Code Agent brings advanced AI functionalities directly into your familiar Visual Studio Code environment as an extension. Both are designed to supercharge your development process, offering unique approaches to integrating AI into your daily coding. We'll explore their core differences and help you decide which might be the best fit for your workflow. Cursor truly shines with its deeply integrated AI features, making it an AI-first coding experience. Imagine generating entire functions or debugging complex issues with just a few prompts, all within the editor. Its intuitive chat interface allows for seamless interaction, providing instant code suggestions and explanations. Cursor is engineered to comprehend your entire project, offering context-aware assistance that can significantly reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks and complex problem-solving, boosting your efficiency by a substantial margin. VS Code Agent offers a different, yet equally powerful, approach by integrating AI directly into the beloved Visual Studio Code. This means you can retain your familiar setup, including hundreds of existing extensions, while gaining robust AI assistance. It enhances your current workflows, providing intelligent code completions, helping detect subtle errors, and even generating documentation on the fly. For those deeply embedded in the VS Code ecosystem, this agent provides a powerful upgrade, adding a layer of artificial intelligence without requiring a complete shift in your development environment. When choosing between Cursor and VS Code Agent, consider your current workflow and preferences. If you're looking for a completely new AI-first coding experience, Cursor offers a compelling, integrated solution. However, if you're a dedicated Visual Studio Code user who wants to infuse your existing environment with powerful artificial intelligence, the VS Code Agent is an excellent choice. Both tools are designed to dramatically improve your coding efficiency, potentially saving you many hours each week by bringing the power of AI directly to your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.